basic. You're still doing a shuffle step, rock step, but some of the movement and weight change feels different. So let's do a regular basic. Shuffle, step, rock, step. Then we're gonna shuffle, step. Now we're gonna jump back onto our ball. Rock, step. So that's what feels perhaps weird. Jump, step onto your ball. Rock, step. Rock, step. Or from the side, I'm jumping back onto the ball of my foot after I shuffle. Shuffle, step. Now I'm gonna jump backwards. Rock, step. Shuffle, step, ball, step. Now it's hard to do it slowly. It's hard to balance slowly. Let's do one regular basic and a flange basic. 5, 6, ready, go. Shuffle, step, rock, step, shuffle, step, rock, step. Or from the back. 5, 6, ready, go. Shuffle, step, rock, step, shuffle, step, rock, step. So you're just kind of loosely kicking your other leg up in the air while you jump back on your ball. Rock, rock, jump, jump,